Guys, good evening to all of you guys. I got this shell from Marombra Beach. I and my son together with my friend named Tracy, and this is the one I got. This was so nice. Only one for souvenir. Well, they don't get angry if I just only one shell I got from that place, from that beach. See, look, nice. Very, very nice, just for a souvenir, you know. I will not throw the shell, and I will take this one. This portion is hard, but if I leave that one here without touching, this one will open. See, this is very sensitive, guys. If I touch, it will close. Super sensitive. See? But anyway, that is, guys, shell. I don't know if someone knows the name of this shell. Can you please make comment on uh my video, on this video? Just make comment, because I don't know. I have no idea what's the name of the shell. But anyway, that's all for now, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Good luck in Australia.